make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering.
Hi everybody, so I hope you're well and having a really lovely day today as always. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, please hit that subscribe button down below. It absolutely makes my day, and I would love to hit 10,000 subscribers in 2020. Like, I really want to make something positive happen this year, and that would be amazing, so please subscribe if you're not already. So in today's video, I was sat down thinking to myself, what could I film that's something a little bit different that I haven't done in a while, and I thought I would go through all the LUSH products on the website that I just don't really like, to be honest. I just think, do you know what, it's a little light-hearted video and it's just funny, isn't it? So that is what I want to do. A little disclaimer before I begin, I probably don't like these items because of the fragrance or because of how they work for me. If you love them or you think they smell different, that is absolutely fine. You go buy them, you enjoy them. I've been getting a few comments recently on a few videos about how I explain a certain product that smells a certain way, and then somebody comments going, she doesn't know what she's talking about, it actually smells like this. And I appreciate that because I've probably made a mistake, but just write it nicer, do you know what I mean? I haven't actually smelt them, so I am trying to guess what they smell like from the descriptions. So if you know what they smell like, let me know. Just be nice about it. It's a positive environment on here, do you know what I mean? So I've got about 8 products to share with you guys, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know down below some products that you really don't like. I find it really interesting, so yeah, let me know down below your least faves and enjoy the video. So the first item is an absolute classic. She has been around for a long time. I've smelt her many a time, and I've tried to get on with her quite a lot, but we just don't mesh well. We don't vibe well together, and that is Aqua Marina. Aqua Marina is a facial cleanser, and I know so many people that love this product, but to me it smells like a salmon sushi roll.
Ah! Salmon skin roll.
Not only does it look like fish flesh in a sushi wrap, which just makes me feel uneasy already, but it has the texture and the scent of the seaside. It's gross. It honestly, no. The weirdest thing is apparently it has the same scent as Milky Bath, Bubble Bar and Bath Bomb, which I really love, so I have no idea if it's just my brain telling me that it looks like fish, so it smells like fish. I don't know. So yeah, it's an odd one, a really, really odd one. Price-wise, it's also £9 for 100 grams. That has definitely gone up since I worked there, so yeah. Mad money, honestly, ridiculous. For some fish in a pot, no thank you. Next up we have a product which I've not really mentioned, and that is the Dirty Toothy tabs. Now, before you come yelling and screaming at me, hear me out. I love the idea of these. I think they're so innovative and a really great creation that LUSH have made, especially for people that travel and go on holiday a lot. Honestly, I have some in my drawer. They're great. But is it just me? My teeth just don't feel clean when I use Toothy tabs. They feel powdery and dusty. They don't feel clean, and I use an electric toothbrush and I'm brushing them for like 2 or 3 minutes, and they just feel gritty and not very nice, and I don't know if I'm using it wrong or what, but I just cannot get on board with these. I'm really sorry if you love them, but I just cannot. I just don't like them. Next up we have a deodorant, and that is the Aroma Solid Deodorant. Again, love this idea. 10 out of 10, such a brilliant thing to come up with, especially again for people that travel and that want to save on the environment and plastics and stuff like that. But why does it have to smell like dust? I don't understand. The scent of this is gross. It's patchouli. It's so strong in patchouli, it actually makes me feel sick. I hate it. It is disgusting. And weirdly, again, Karma is patchouli, and I've learnt to really like that scent, but for some reason Aroma just smells like a sweaty flower situation. I'm not a fan. Like I said, if you love it, I apologise, but I just cannot enjoy this product, and I don't know what it is. I think it's just the scent. It's a bit much for me. I'm not a fan, so it's a no from me. Next up we have a soap, and this is called the Olive Tree, which is a gourmet soap. So for 100 grams of this soap, it's £10. 10 English pounds. Like, are you joking? Why is that so expensive? I feel like I say this in every video, but Lush's prices have shot up recently, which is why I don't tend to do a lot of hauls anymore. I am going to be doing some at some point, but I don't do them as frequently because the prices have gone up ridiculous amounts. I don't know what's been going on, but for a piece of soap is £10. I just cannot get on board with that. Not only is this soap highly expensive because it's a gourmet soap, whatever that means, but it also smells like dirt. It smells like a wooded piece of dirt with like olives on it. It is gross. It's not very nice. Again, if you love these sorts of scents, I'm really happy that you enjoy them. Don't get me wrong. They just don't sit well with me. They make me feel a bit sick and a little bit uneasy, and I just don't like it. I don't like smelling like a garden floor. So it's just a no from me, you know. The next item is a bath bomb, and she's a classic. She's been around for a long time, which is why I don't understand why they haven't given her a revamp yet, and that is Sakura. Now, Sakura smells like cherry blossoms. She's very light in fragrance, so a 10 out of 10 for people that are sensitive to smells, and colour wise she's not got much going on either. So again, if you've got sensitive skin in terms of like colour and stuff, like she's going to be a 10 out of 10 for you. But for me, she's just so boring. Like, I wish they would make her maybe into a different shape or maybe add a different colour inside, and she fizzes away within like 10 seconds. So you're paying £4 for really murky water that doesn't really smell, so it's just not really my vibe. She costs £3.95, so again, it is relatively standard pricing for Lush bath bombs, but I feel like you can get some really beautiful products for that much money, and this one is just a bit blah. The next item is a foot mask, and don't get me wrong, your girl loves a good foot mask, but the scent of this one is just really gross. I hate it, and that is Volcano foot mask. Now, Volcano foot mask I believe has tomatoes in it. It used to, so correct me if I'm wrong, but the scent of this just smelled like mouldy dirt. It was gross. It was just not very nice. I also feel like, for me personally, I don't have time to put an actual mask on my feet. I love the little sock ones that you put on, but for me, this one you have to put on and you'd have to sit over the bath, and it's just not comfortable. Like, I want to be relaxed and chilled when I do stuff like that, and it's just really not practical for me. So yeah, it's a no from me. And also, it's £9 again, and this used to be, I swear it was about £4.50. So Lush are doing something, I don't know what it is. Next up is another deodorant, and this is the Greech deodorant. I'm not really sure. It's a powder deodorant. So firstly, for me, it's a no. It's too messy. I don't like flicking the powder into my armpit. Like, it's just not my vibe. But scent-wise, again, not my favourite. Dusty, like wooden floor, no. Absolutely not. And it's £9 again. Like, I'm just not about that. I love the fact Lush are doing deodorants, and they are doing their best, but please just make one that smells like vanilla. Just please. That's all I want. Just something simple, or lemon even. I don't mind smelling like a car air freshener, but I'd rather smell like that than the garden floor. So yeah, not a fan. And last but by no means least is an absolute cult classic, and that is Cosmetic Warrior. Now, this face mask is full of garlic and tea tree, so the scent, rank, I'm telling you. Not only does this smell absolutely vile, it kind of looks vile also. I'm not going to say what it looks like. You guys can use your imagination. It looks disgusting, but don't get me wrong. If you've got spots, acne prone skin, this face mask is unreal. But just use Mask of Magnaminty. It smells amazing, works just as well, and it doesn't look like vomit, so 10 out of 10. Also, on a side note, the fresh face masks have gone up to £9. £9. They last for 3 weeks. Obviously, you can do the black pot scheme where you take black pots back and you get a free face mask, but I would not pay £9 for a face mask that will last 3 weeks. That is mental to me. It's gone up by so much. They used to be £6.50 when I worked there, so madness. So that is everything for this video. Obviously, please take everything I said with a pinch of salt. It's just light-hearted, it's just my opinion. You guys know I love Lush, I love everything about Lush. It's just products I don't get on with, and I thought I'd let you guys know that I don't like these products. You might love them, and that is great. Let me know down below if you love them. If any of these products that I've said are your cult classics, let me know. I'd love to know. Maybe I'm not using them in the best way, so let me know your thoughts down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, because honestly, I would love to hit 10,000 subscribers subscribers. It would make my day, and I appreciate you guys so much. So please subscribe to my channel and also follow me over on Instagram, because as soon as we hit 10k on this channel, I will be doing a massive giveaway, and I will be doing a giveaway over on Instagram as well. So follow me over on Instagram. Have the best day ever, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!